You guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. It is Thursday, March 18th, and I want to talk about Luokung Technology Corp, ticker symbol LKCO, currently sitting at $1.85 at the time of this video. Now it is up 20% on the day, another 3% after hours, okay? This stock been super interesting. I've kind of been looking at LKCO from afar for about 3 or 4 weeks now, maybe a month. I currently do not have any shares of LKCO, and it really caught my attention today with the jump up 20%. If we do take a look at the chart here for LKCO, the 3-month chart, we can see that this stock was below $1 for the beginning of almost all of January, going into February, and then really took off, hit a high of $3, almost $4, $3.86 mid-February, like a lot of stocks did. It fell off completely back down to under $1, and now we are seeing it climb again. So I wanted to make this video to talk about why this stock climbing today, and then just talk about my overall opinions and updated thoughts on LKCO and whether or not this is a potential buy, or if I'm bullish on this stock. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So Luokung Technology is a company dedicated to spatial temporal data services, right? It offers its interactive location-based services in China, and the company does this with satellite and UAV remote sensing image data, HD map, 2D and 3D internet mapping, real-time trajectory, and IoT industrial stream data. And the company did acquire Super Engine back in 2018, BotBrain AI in May of 2019, and EMG in August of 2019 as well. So if you take a look at their website, you can see here that Luokung is based on the full vector non-sliced map technology. They provide real-time spatial temporal computation and intelligent POI recommendation services for complex scenarios combining persons, vehicles, locations, and other things. Based on the spatial temporal data engine, we provide management, query, and analysis services more than 1 trillion tracks of people and vehicles. In Najing's vehicle tracking management system, which has been operating for 3 years, we have provided real-time query functionalities in 4 dimension by time, space, by ID, and by logical association of time and space. Okay, so very interesting stuff as far as Luokung goes, LKCO. If you take a look at here, right? So it's got this is just data, right, up in the air. It's data through the cars, through your phones, through your location, through actual physical locations, and they're using this temporal data engine and providing analysis services that track people and their vehicles. So Luokung, I think, is it definitely a long-term play here, because I think this, in some way or another, Luokung fits into the EV spectrum, right? I don't think they're immediately right now in the EV spectrum, but they definitely are clearly in the realm of it, right? So Luokung, their acquisition today that is really causing this stock to blow up is they closed on a 100% equity interest of eMapGo Technologies. All right, so Luokung Technology, a leading interactive location-based service and big data processing technology company in China, today announced the closing of the acquisition of eMapGo Technologies, a leading provider of navigation and electronic map services in China. Okay, so EMG is one of China's largest high precision map providers, focusing on navigation and electric map production, internet map services, and geographic information systems and engineering, and other A-level mapping qualifications. So the CEO of Luokung said today that this is a significant milestone for the company history, and we have created one company with technologies and a product portfolio that will provide us with a clear competitive advantage in the field of autonomous driving, smart electric vehicles, intelligent transportation, and smart cities, enabling us to accelerate our development in this industry while being exhortive to Luokung's financials. You guys, Kathy Wood, a lot of big people that are in the financial investment industry have talked about the autonomous industry being one of the big disruptive niches and one of the key things moving forward, as far as the stocks and niches to invest in. And autonomous driving, you guys, we know about Tesla, we know about Apple, we know about these companies trying to fully develop autonomous driving, smart EV vehicles, and just overall intelligent transportation. And the quote you can see here, Luokung, the CEO of Luokung sees LKCO or Luokung being right in the middle of it, and they have essentially created a company with technologies and a product portfolio that will provide us with the clear competitive advantage, right, in the fields of autonomous driving and intelligent transportation. So just this quote alone, you guys can just take a look and read this quote. This is from the CEO of LKCO. This quote alone makes me extremely bullish on LKCO, right? Because of their, I guess, their technology and the way it can attach itself to the EV market and autonomous driving. It almost makes it a no-brainer at the price it currently is at, right? And because this company is based in China, and because of the way the US and China and the trade tariffs and what's going on with that, I think that's why, the stock isn't going as crazy right now. I think that a lot of people on Reddit are talking about how if that does happen and things go back to normal as far as China and the US and the trade tariffs and everything in that problematic situation, I guess, if that goes back to normal, then we can see companies like LKCO really start to implement their technologies in US, and then obviously their share price would go to the moon. I am extremely bullish on LKCO, and I definitely think this stock is a buy. I would probably give this a price entry target price of around $1.50 to $1.60. Given the price right now at 185, I think we could see a pullback tomorrow. I definitely think it's going to pull back a bit. Again, just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you can enter this stock somewhere around $1.50 to $1.60, I think that'd be an absolutely great entry point, because LKCO, you guys, again, as a long-term hold, any stock or video I make on this channel, you guys will be middle to long-term holds here, and LKCO definitely fits the bill of a long-term hold. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about LKCO. I'm extremely bullish. Let me know what price you guys got in LKCO if you guys do have any shares. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and as always, you guys have a great day.